Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between two giants, Web and Typedream. We want to see which no-code website builder wins. Do you want to build a website fast without coding? Well, today we're comparing these two AI-powered no-code builders, that is Web and Typedream. We want to see which one you should pick. The first we're going to compare is ease of use. When it comes to ease of use, Web has AI-powered and it is WordPress-based, while Typedream is super intuitive and has drag and drop. When it comes to what they are best for, Web is best for blogs, business sites, and e-commerce, while Typedream is best for portfolios and personal websites. When it comes to AI features, Web has full AI site generator, while Typedream has AI content and SEO tools. When it comes to templates, Web has about 100 plus professional designs, while Typedream has minimalistic, modern templates. When it comes to pricing, Web starts at $10 per month, while Typedream starts at $8 per month. When it comes to hosting, Web has built-in, fast and secure hosting, while Typedream requires external hosting. When it comes to customization, Web has advanced WordPress plugins, while Typedream has simple but stylish editing. So, if you need powerful AI plus WordPress, Web is your pick. But if you want a slick, super simple portfolio site, Typedream is the way to go. So which one would you choose? Comment below, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech showdown.